Most gardeners think manure is manure. Spread it, water it, wait. But when I stopped guessing and actually tested chicken manure against livestock manure side by side, the soil told a very different story within weeks. One transformed dead dirt into living soil, shockingly fast. The other improved it slowly, quietly, and far less dramatically. This is not opinion. This is how soil biology responds when nutrients arrive in different forms. Soil does not feed plants directly. Microbes do. The speed at which soil improves depends entirely on how fast microbes can consume, multiply, and build structure. Manure is not fertilizer first. It is microbial fuel. You know, different animals produce manure with completely different biological behaviors. Chicken manure is concentrated. On the other hand, livestock manure from cows, goats or sheep is diluted with fibrous material. That single difference, well, it actually controls nutrient release speed, microbial response, and even risk. Chicken manure activates soil quickly. Livestock manure, though, builds slowly but steadily. When chicken manure was applied correctly, microbial activity surged within days. The soil darkened, clumped, and began holding moisture better in under 2 weeks. Earthworm activity increased rapidly once the initial nitrogen spike settled. Livestock manure showed improvement too, but it behaved like a slow-release system. Structure improved gradually, and microbial growth stayed moderate instead of explosive. Chicken manure contains higher nitrogen, phosphorus, and calcium levels. This combination feeds bacteria aggressively. Bacteria multiply fast, which attracts protozoa and fungi, which then form stable soil aggregates. That cascade is why soil transforms faster. Used wrong, chicken manure burns roots, kills microbes, and causes nitrogen loss through volatilization. Speed without control becomes damage. This is where most gardeners fail. Chicken manure must be diluted or composted before it comes into contact with soil. The fastest safe method is a manure tea that, feeds microbes without shocking roots. Mix 1 cup of aged chicken manure into 20 litres of water. Stir well and let it steep for, say, 12 to 24 hours. Strain the solids if you're applying it near young plants. And remember, apply it directly to the soil, not the leaves. This method delivers biology, not burn. Livestock manure shines in long-term soil conditioning. The fibrous content feeds fungi, not just bacteria. Fungal networks, improve soil structure, water retention, and nutrient storage over time. This is why fields treated with livestock manure stay productive longer, even if improvement is, a bit slower. Lower nitrogen means lower risk. You can apply it thicker, more often, and with less precision. It rarely burns plants and is, honestly, forgiving for beginners. But, safety comes at the cost of speed. After 1 month, chicken manure-treated soil showed triple the aggregation and visible biological life compared to livestock manure. After 3 months, livestock manure soil caught up partially, but never matched the early transformation speed. Speed matters when rebuilding exhausted soil. This is not a battle where one wins forever. The best soil systems use chicken manure for activation and livestock manure for stabilization. Fast biology first, long-term structure second. So, you'll want to start with a diluted chicken manure tea to, wake soil life. Then, just follow with a thin layer of composted livestock manure. This feeds fungi and locks nutrients in place. After that, water deeply and allow the microbes to, do the rest. This combination honestly mimics natural grazing systems. Never apply fresh manure directly to roots. Never mix manure into dry soil without moisture. And never pile manure against stems. These mistakes, unfortunately, create toxicity instead of fertility. Manure works with biology, not force. Temperature, moisture, and existing microbial populations all matter. Chicken manure amplifies what is already there. Livestock manure slowly builds what is missing. Understanding this really does prevent disappointment. Chicken manure builds soil faster when used intelligently. Livestock manure, on the other hand, builds soil in a safer and longer-lasting way. The winner really depends on your goal, but honestly, speed belongs to chicken manure when it's handled correctly. Soil rewards understanding, not shortcuts. If this breakdown saved you from wasting manure or damaging your soil, go ahead and subscribe to Nature's Blueprint. Share this with a fellow gardener and help spread real soil knowledge instead of gardening myths.